What's going on, everybody? Bree with BK Vending coming back at you with another video. I am at my hotel location to restock and collect the money from my combo machine. Let's get it. This machine is only available to the staff of the hotel and it's in their break room. I love the decoration that they have in the break room, and they also decorated my machine, which I loved as well.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I forgot the key to the vending machine on my other set of keys. Back to the car I go. Alright y'all, I'm back. Let's try this again. I restock this location once a week, and I can come anytime. However, I choose to come on Sunday evenings because the break room isn't filled with staff members eating on their lunch break. For the most part, it is typically quiet. This is a Witten 3566 combo machine. The combo machine allows me to have chips, candies, and pastries at the top and drinks at the bottom. The separator in between keeps the drinks cold without getting the other products super cold. If you notice, I don't fill the slots of the chips and pastries all the way back because there was a lot of waste in the beginning when I first got this account. So the way I alleviated that problem was to fill it halfway, and I haven't had any issues since doing that. I want to apologize again for the camera angles. I'm still getting used to these glasses. They are Ban Wayfarer glasses, but it allows me to record hands-free. I did do a review of them in another video, so definitely go check that video out. Funny story, this vending machine didn't fit in this break room. We had to take it apart. We had to detach the door, and then we moved in the machine first, and then we moved in the doors separately. Then we had to put it back together again. So I always like to ask, how is your vending business doing? Are you new to vending? Are you just doing preliminary research? If you want me to discuss a specific topic, let me know in the comments. That way I can get those queued up for my next videos. I always move the drinks up if possible so that they're not purchasing room temperature soda, and it keeps the sodas rotated. If I don't have enough, I have additional storage under the drink section where I keep extras, and I place a cold one first, then the others that I brought. They are some serious Coke drinkers here. I started with one row of the 16.9 ounce Cokes and it gradually grew to four. As you guys can see underneath that last section, you can kind of see where I keep all the extras as far as drinks is concerned. I am now going into the Nayax MoMA app to update my inventory numbers. The app was giving me some issues, so I decided to update the numbers off camera. Alright, it is time to collect the money. Before I do that, I always check the coin mechanism to make sure the change isn't low, and this time it was good. I am going to get the change first. It was a decent amount of change that was in the container. I'm pouring it out into the bag. Now I'm off to get the bill cassette. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Nice little stack. Let me fan it out for you guys. Let me go ahead and fan it out for you guys really quick. See, I see a few fives in there. Here I am at the Nayax credit card reader clearing the cash box number. Since I collected the money from the machine, it just resets the amount to zero until I come back next week. If you are interested in using Nayax as your preferred credit card processor, I have a discount code for you. If you use the promo code bk.vending at checkout, you can save some money on your purchase of your new Nayax reader. They are having an awesome end of the year sale as well, so definitely take advantage. I will also leave it in the description for you as well. Alright, as you guys can see, I am done restocking this vending machine. I did notice that there were a couple of little bites that was getting ready to expire by the time I got back, so I went ahead and just purchased those, and I'm just going to leave them on the counter for the employees. The total I collected with cash and credit card is $115.30. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that notification bell so you will be alerted when I post new content. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.